Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about your money and how much of it you can move around with Chime. Ever looked at your Chime balance and thought, damn, I need to transfer this cash ASAP, but how much can I actually send without hitting a roadblock? If you have, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Chime daily transfer limit. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's a boring topic, right? Trust me, I thought the same thing. But stick with me. Understanding your transfer limits is like knowing the speed limit essential for avoiding unexpected bumps in the road. Plus, we're gonna make it interesting. Promise. First things first, let's clarify what we mean by transfer. Are we talking about sending money to another Chime member? Transferring funds to an external bank account? Or maybe even withdrawing cash from an ATM? Because let's be real, there's a difference. So, let's start with the simplest, transferring money to another Chime member. Good news! There's no limit to how much you can send to another Chime user. You can send $1, 1,000, or even your entire balance. It's like sending a text, quick, easy, and no restrictions. But what about transferring money to an external bank account? This is where things get a little more complicated. While Chime doesn't impose a limit on ACH transfers initiated from your external account, there's a catch. Your external bank might have its own rules. Some banks have daily, weekly, or even monthly transfer limits. So, before you go crazy transferring your life savings, check with your main bank. Now, let's talk about ATM withdrawals. This is where Chime does impose a limit. Typically, you can withdraw a certain amount of cash per day from ATMs. But here's the kicker, the exact amount can vary depending on your account type and other factors. To find out your specific limit, you'll need to log into your Chime app and check your account settings. But wait, there's more. Chime also has limits on how much cash you can deposit at retail locations. It's usually a combination of daily and monthly limits. Again, check your Chime app for the exact details. Alright, so we've covered a lot of ground. Let's recap. Transferring to another Chime member? No problem. Transferring to an external bank account? Depends on your bank. ATM withdrawals and cash deposits? Chime sets the limits. Important note, these limits can change. Chime might adjust their limits, and your external bank could do the same. So, it's always a good idea to check the latest information. Now, knowing your transfer limits is crucial for managing your money effectively. It helps you plan your finances, avoid overdraft fees, and prevent any unexpected surprises. So, take a few minutes to understand your limits. Your future self will thank you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.